guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another easy recipe for you guys. Today I am showing you guys how to make this super easy pineapple sriracha chicken wings in the air fryer. Before we get started, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoy it. And without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Before we get started with the recipe, here are a quick look of the ingredients. I have a little bit under 2 pounds of wings here. And here we have the pineapple toppings that I'll be using for this recipe. Okay, I know it's made for sweets, but we're going to use it on wings today. And as well as some all-purpose seasoning, adobo of course, or you can use any all-purpose seasoning that you do have at your house in your pantry. And here I am also using some sazon by the same brand name, Goya. And also, last but not least, you will need some butter to make your sauce. Shall we begin? First thing I am going to be doing is make sure my chicken is nice and dry. Pat it with a napkin if you have to, then drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there. Then we're going to take our seasoning and just season this chicken from head to toe. I added my Goya sazon seasoning in there and about 1 tablespoon of adobo seasoning. Mix it together just like so, and then it is ready to go in the air fryer. Now you can let it sit for about 30 minutes before you air fry this, but I went ahead and cook it right away. One thing to keep in mind when you're adding your chicken in your air fryer, be sure to give them some space. That way they can come out nice and crispy and crunchy and not so wet, unless you like it that way, but I don't. Now we're going to air fry the wings for 30 minutes on 400, and make sure to keep flipping them here and there so they don't overcook on one side. And of course, if you want it crispier, you can add another additional 10 minutes. Once our 30 minutes is over, this is what you have, nice and crispy and crunchy. I love it, and it's looking golden brown as you guys can see. Now we are about to make our sauce, so I'm going to remove the wings out of the air fryer. To make the sauce is pretty easy. I am going to add my butter to a hot skillet. Once it is melted, we're going to add our pineapple toppings. Okay, you can even use pineapple glaze if you can find them, but this combo, y'all, I don't know if anybody make this before, but I'm like, this might be good. Let me just give it a try. So I just mixed those two together and boom, it is amazing. You have to try it out. Of course, the measurement will be below for you. Once I added my sriracha sauce in, I am going to give that a quick stir. Let it simmer for about a minute or two, and basically it is done. Now I'm going to take my sauce and just pour it all over that beautiful golden brown wings. Give it a nice toss, and we are ready to plate this. And there you have it. This is how you make pineapple sriracha chicken wings. How easy and quick was this? These wings are fire, guys. You have to give them a try. Unfortunately, I made too little. Next time I have to make a good amount, okay? Because they were gone in less than a minute. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also leave me a comment below your thoughts about this recipe, and I will see you guys soon on the next recipe. Bye.